Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to blow your mind because we're creating insanely cinematic AI videos using Pixverse, and the results look straight out of a movie. And before we jump into the examples, here's something important. You can now use Seedance directly inside the platform without switching tools, and it also consumes fewer credits compared to many other cinematic AI workflows. So, today, we're testing how powerful these new cinematic AI models really are inside Pixverse. Let's start with something powerful right away. Here's a V6 generated scene, a man standing still in heavy rain, droplets frozen mid-air, while the world around him moves in a subtle time-lapse. The camera slowly orbits and pushes in, with dramatic lighting and ultra-realistic detail. Play the clip. This entire scene is generated using Pixverse V6, and that's exactly what we're exploring today. Pixverse has just launched its brand new V6 model, and it's faster, smarter, and way more cinematic than before. Now let's jump into more realistic and creative examples. Example 1. Cyberpunk street scene. A man walking through a rainy cyberpunk street at night. Neon reflections on wet roads. People passing naturally, moving traffic, cinematic handheld camera movement, ultra-realistic atmosphere. Firefighter rescue scene. A firefighter standing outside a burning building while emergency lights flash around him, smoke and sparks moving dynamically, realistic environmental motion, cinematic push-in shot. A businesswoman presenting inside a modern office meeting room, natural hand gestures, realistic facial expressions, coworkers reacting naturally, smooth cinematic camera movement. Play result. You can see how versatile Pixverse V6 is, from cinematic action scenes to realistic human performances and commercial-style content. Just click the link in the description and open Pixverse. You'll land on a clean dashboard with ready-made templates at the top and a prompt bar where you can create almost anything. You can generate AI videos, AI images, apply transitions, extend clips, or modify existing content. And since Seedance is already integrated directly into the platform, you can test different cinematic workflows without leaving Pixverse. Just type your idea, and Pixverse will turn it into a video within seconds. Tools like this are changing content creation completely. Whether you're making YouTube videos, AI ads, short films, or cinematic storytelling, Pixverse makes the entire workflow much faster and easier. And yes, V6.5 is also expected soon, bringing even better cinematic performance. So keep an eye on that. Outro. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to try Pixverse using the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.